Toot toot!
Toot toot! Toot toot! Hey, what's up guys? Today we have the Honor 20 with us in the studio today. Now let me tell you guys, if you guys want a phone with a wide angle camera, super night mode, and then you put it together and it becomes a beautiful baby that has both, you want to look at this phone, the Honor 20. So let's begin unboxing this phone, shall we? So the one right here that's really beautiful in blue, this is sapphire blue, and the one I'm about to unbox is midnight black. Yes. Alright, so this is how it looks like at the back. You can just kind of like see the difference in color here. I prefer the sapphire blue personally. And in the box we have the eject pin, we have the jelly case, USB Type-C, and as well as a Type-C to 3.5mm converter. And that's all we have in the box. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the phone. Kirin 980, 6.26 inches in size. Very impressive phone, honestly. And as you know, because Honor has some really impressive pricing, I don't think we're gonna see this above 2,000 ringgit. That's all I can say. So let us tell you what we like and don't like about the phone. I'm Natasha. Welcome to TechNave Unboxings and Hands-On. Starting off as usual with what we like about the phone. Now, you guys don't see anything on the back here because obviously there's no rear mounted fingerprint scanner. But wait, there's no in-display fingerprint scanner. So where's the fingerprint scanner? Haha, that's where I will show you guys. This phone actually comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and it's actually really fast. Check this out guys. I don't even have to touch on it. I just... there. You see that? Barely anything. Shit, once more. Boom! That's how fast it is. As I was saying in the intro earlier, this has an impressive camera. This phone, okay, it has the wide angle lens and it also has really impressive night mode. I'm gonna show you guys here the difference between a normal shot at night as well as a night mode shot. And then it gets better. You have the ultra wide lens, but at night. So check it out right over here. You can see how impressive it looks. No detail is compromised in this photo, and that's what I really like about the camera. Now, as you know how much I love mobile gaming. So when I tried gaming on this, not even hot. This has really good cooling system. It didn't feel like anything. So if you want a game and you don't mind the little tiny punch hole here, I recommend that. Now, the last thing that I really like about this is obviously the fast charge. The fast charge on this is 22.5 watts, meaning you can charge in just 30 minutes. In just 30 minutes, you can charge up to 50% from zero. Okay, that is really nice. Now, of course, as like any other phone, there's always something you're not gonna really like about it. Like for instance, when I talk about gaming again, only one flaw. It only has one speaker at the bottom here. So if you're like me, I don't really like wearing earphones when I game. Because it only has one speaker, it's not really a good time, especially if you're playing games like PUBG Mobile and you have to really hear for footsteps. If not, you're gonna have to rely on the map. Other than that, you know, you can always use earphones. You also might want to be a little bit more careful with this phone because it doesn't come with IP67 or 68 for water and dust resistance. So if you want to keep this safe, I recommend you get a casing for this because I don't want anything to get inside here and ruin my phone. Last one guys, this phone unfortunately does not support on-screen gestures. I've actually become a little bit more accustomed with more phones picking up on-screen gestures where you swipe left, swipe up to just go everywhere, where you don't really need the buttons at the bottom here. Unfortunately for this phone, you kind of have to rely on these and it's not as fun in my opinion, but it's not really a big thing to worry about. And that's it guys, that's what I liked and disliked about the Honor 20. Wait up for our full review for the phone and Abel will be over there in London covering the full launch. So if you guys want to know more, head on over to technave.com, which is our website, to catch our full coverage. And if you guys want to see more phone unboxings, follow us on YouTube and Facebook. I'm Natasha and I am gonna go play some PUBG Mobile on this phone. See you later guys!